Bareani athuganirwa kwithirwa bari na njara kiri urugani bwa Kamwembe ni bakinyitwe kotini ya Chuka na Arua. Athuganirwa ba bakinyitwe mbere ya mugambithania Stacy Wachira uria uritite ugambi igamba riri riumba kuthikirwa kotini ya Meru ntariki mugwanja mweri Jojo. Prosecutor wa koti eu Anthony Awe na rombete koti barigerio nchera ya Chuka bagetera ntariki iria banenkeri ikinya. Nicholas Chabari arinaichi.
Bakinyithitwe kotini ya Chuka mbere ya magistrate Stacy Wachira mutongeria wa thitango kotini no twe Ani Gakumu na tariritie ati athuganirwa batano bonthe ibaruthiritwo chunkoni bakimathugania na bonekana abae tayari na bae sasa wa kurikana na thitango ira ire mbere yao.
They were all found fit to stand trial. Your Honor, we do wish to seek directions that the suspects be informed while they are before court today. The charges that they are going to be facing.
Prosecution inaeleza kuwa ingetaka muelezewe mashtaka ambayo zimeletwa dhidi yenu kotini. Na kuna wale ambao leo hawana wakili na kulingana na kosa hili ama shtaka hili kisheria inapaswa kuwa mmepatiwa wakili ambaye atawasimamia kwa kesi.
Shtaka la kwanza ni Josephat Nyaga Njue alias Wanyanya. Wa pili ni Wilson Kinywa Nyaga alias Dot. Wa tatu ni Benson Mugendi Patrick. Wa nne ni Kimboi Kibet Collins. Wa tano Joseph Kinywa Njero. Shtaka ni kwamba tarehe 21 mwezi wa Juni mwaka huu katika eneo la Kamwembe iliyo katika Igamba Ng'ombe Sub-County, Tharaka Nithi County, bila sababu ya kisheria mliweza kumuua mtu kwa majina Deborah Muthoni.
Mutongeria wa thitango akiromba koti thinambe na kumenyithia athuganirwa baba gitumi bari mbere ya koti na muno nkoroki akiuga ibwega kuthi nambe na kuingirwa kituoni kia polisi igachuka beterete ntuwira bakathi nambe na kuthikiria thitango yao.
Given that all the five persons who have been previously remanded in different police stations, remanded at Chuka police station, awaiting a date before awaiting Your Honor to be presented or placed before a judge.
Magistrate Stacy agitegeria iromba riri na muno nkoroki kuthi nambe na kuuga etiba ingirwa gituoni kimwe na muno nkoroki akiuga ati athuganirwa baba bagakinyithwa kotini tariki mugwanja mweri wa mugwanja koti ya iguru ya Meru nikenda bathi nambe na kuthomera thitango ciao.
Pro bono advocates will be appointed to represent the third, fourth and fifth accused persons, and all five accused will be remanded at Chuka police station pending plea taking, which will take place before Justice Dominic Rono, High Court number 3, Meru, Law Courts, on the 7th day of July 2026.
Kuma koti ya Chuka Igamba Ng'ombe, Peter Nicholas, Chaba.